So here's how to add screen recording on iPhone. Starting off, in your home screen, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. The iPhone Control Center provides quick access to various settings and features. Control Center can be customized to include or exclude various controls such as airplane mode, do not disturb, flashlight, volume, screen brightness, and more. Over here, tap on the screen recording button below to start recording the screen. If you want to add another control, then tap and hold the screen. Now, tap on Add a Control at the bottom. You can now search for or choose a control from here. Select Screen Recording as shown. You have now successfully added another screen recording button to the Control Center. You can always change or remove the buttons from here whenever you want. And that's it. You can now easily add screen recording on iPhone.